Mastering the law of attraction. Manifesting your dreams is a process that requires dedication and commitment. It is a journey of self-discovery and transformation. The law of attraction, or LOA, is a powerful tool that can help you manifest your dreams and create the life you desire. Here are practical steps to law of attraction mastery. The first step to manifesting your desires is to understand the law of attraction. The LO is the belief that like attracts like and that your thoughts and feelings create your reality. It is based on the idea that by focusing on positive or negative thoughts, you can bring positive or negative experiences into your life. The next step is to become aware of your thoughts and feelings. As you become aware of your thoughts and feelings, you can begin to shift them to align with your desired outcome. This is done through visualization and affirmations. Visualization is the practice of creating mental images of the outcome you desire. Affirmations are positive statements that help you stay focused on your desired outcome. The third step is to take action. Taking action is key to manifesting your desires. The LOA works best when you are taking action towards your desired outcome. Taking action also helps you stay focused on your desired outcome and reinforces your positive thoughts and feelings. The fourth step is to let go and allow. Letting go of control and allowing the universe to do its work is essential to manifesting your dreams. You must trust that the universe will provide what you need and that you will receive the desired outcome. Letting go and allowing also helps you stay focused on your desired outcome and reinforces your positive thoughts and feelings. The fifth step is to stay open to possibilities. Stay open to new ideas and opportunities that come your way. The universe is always providing us with new opportunities and possibilities. It is important to stay open to them and to be willing to take risks and try new things. The sixth step is to stay focused and persistent. It is important to stay focused on your desired outcome and to be persistent in your efforts. It may take time to manifest your desires and you may encounter obstacles along the way. It is important to stay focused and to keep taking action towards your desired outcome. The seventh step is to be grateful. Being grateful for what you have and for what you receive is essential to manifesting your dreams. Gratitude helps to shift your energy and focus to the positive and helps to create a space for the universe to bring you what you desire. These are the 7 steps to law of attraction mastery. With dedication and commitment, you can manifest your dreams and create the life you desire. By following these steps, you can become the master of your own destiny.